Hi guys, I'm in Kyoto, Japan. I have a sketchbook, a pen, and a hat to cover my bald spot. Let's go! What's up to all my fans? 4 of you. Welcome back to Drawn Out. I'm reporting here from Kansai Airport in Japan. I'm here with my lovely wife, Gaan. So I didn't get to draw as much at the sites as much as I wanted to, because there was just so much to see. And I didn't want to put my wife out too much, because she hadn't been there before. I wanted to show her around more, rather than just her waiting on me to draw something. So, but no big deal, man. You'll see me doodle at some of the sites, just kind of like sketching out some ideas. I'm gonna get home, do some of my drawings there based on the sites that have inspired me here in Japan. I'm excited to see what I come up with. Let's check it out. Let's go. First up is Nijo Castle, the Ninomaru Palace section, just because it was close to our hotel. The first thing to hit your eyeballs as you enter the area is the front gate, and look at this thing. It is so exquisite and colorful. I mean, I want to take this thing home with me so badly. Look at that. The palace was designed to appear intimidating to visitors, but I just think that's an epic fail, because I mean, this place is way too beautiful to be intimidating. I mean, the Playboy Mansion is more intimidating than this place, but for different reasons. Anyway, we weren't able to take photos or videos inside, but I was able to sketch some of the paintings and the patterns that adorned the walls and the ceilings. But even the things outside alone were enough to inspire. Later, we walked up to the observation deck to catch a beautiful view of the Honmaru Palace section, and we weren't even allowed to go into this area, so we were forced to be happy with the landscape. But strangely, our feet were already tired and we had to trek around and search for traditional Japanese food, and totally failed. Don't judge me. And we noticed a lot of buses running through this Shijo area, so we wanted to go check it out. And it turns out it's a bustling area full of shops and restaurants. And hey, we even found some Japanese food! We wandered around a bit some more and took these crappy night shots. But it's time to go back to the hotel and prepare for another fun day tomorrow. But first... As you can probably tell, I laid down a light, rough pencil drawing first, because I am no Kim Jong-gi, and just went over it with some ballpoint pen. I was totally digging the craftsmanship and the design of the gate all of the paintings inside Nijo Castle today, and there seemed to be a theme of these nature and animals, so I thought I'd kind of mash them all together in this sketch. Now I'm using a gold marker to throw in a fairly simple yet beautiful design that I saw inside the castle. I don't know what it was, maybe like wind or water, I don't know, but it was just a cool design. I liked it. There we go. Pretty weird, huh? That's okay. We like weird. Good morning! Well, today we're gonna make like Mr. Rogers and ride the trolley car onto our next destination, Arashiyama, to see the monkeys. From Arashiyama Station, we're gonna hike over to the monkey park, but along the way we're gonna try some ice cream and look at some of the shops. It was a 10-minute walk just to get to this point from Arashiyama Station, but now we have to hike up a mountain, which I was not aware of.
We're hiking up to see the monkeys. We didn't go very far, but we're already tired. I am.
And here they are, playing on their swings. Oh, never mind. Those are children. My bad. Oh, here we are. We made it. We're at the top. And just in time for a fight, too. Oh, did you see that? He got kicked in the face. Oh, he's after you, man. Run. Go. Oh, you should have stayed in the water, man. Oh! Bite in the neck. This is crazy. This is intense. Uh-oh. It's not over yet. Man, these monkeys play dirty. Slap that guy. Slap him. Get him. Yeah, there you go. Okay, we're good now. They're all friends. It's all good. Whee! La la la. Hey, get up, man. You're embarrassing yourself. Huh? What do you mean? Sherry, did I tell you, you just have lovely hands? Do you get manicures often? Oh, it's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
Oh,
and this fur coat, where did you get it? Oh my god.
My body?
Oh, hey, oh, did you see that? There's something behind that. Hey, come back, come back. There he is. Oh, hey, oh, look at him, he's so cute. Man, when is lunchtime? That mower wasn't there yesterday. Alright, I think I just won the cutest video of the year award. Ma, look what I can do. Hey Ma, look. Ma, look. Ma, look. Hey. At least he's not my kid. At least I'm pretty sure. I need to get my legs waxed. Winter's coming, who cares? Alright, enough monkeying around. It's time to go over the rules of the park. So, rule number 1. Do not touch the monkeys. Hey, what'd I just say, man? Don't you work here? Rule 2. No feeding them outside. Rule 3. Do not hand food directly to them. Place it down for them to pick up. Rules 4 and 5. Do not crouch down and point your camera in their face. Unless they're freaking adorable. Rule 6. Do not stare at them directly in their eyes. Rule 7. Showing their teeth indicates they are pissed off. If we abide by these rules, we can all have a good time. Whoa, hey man. None of that. None of that. See, she said no. Punk. Pardon me. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, pardon me. Sorry.
Mom, when's Dad coming home? Oh, be quiet and eat your dinner.
Aw, bananas again. Stupid bananas. And just like that, we got our monkey feeding license. After a bit of sketching, we felt pretty hungry, so we decided to wander around and look for some food. We didn't want to get lost in the bamboo forest, so we decided to go elsewhere. After following these golden hats, we found this, a golden temple, named Kinkakuji. Finally, towards the end of our day, we came to another temple. After some doodling, it's time to wash our hands of this place and get back to my sketchbook. Now, there are plenty of mistakes in this thing, of course, but, that's what a sketchbook is for, to experiment and, see what works, see what doesn't, and, who cares? Just enjoy yourself. Don't stress yourself out by being a perfectionist like I am. If you enjoyed drawing too, then you might know about Inktober. It's kind of a special event that happens every October. I personally have never done it before, but basically you just draw one thing every day, at least one thing every day, during October. So I plan on giving that a shot this year, doing a video on them as well. You can also look at my drawings on my Instagram account. And you can access my Instagram, just as I said in the last video, through my website. I'd say that's a pretty good summation of my day. I hope you like it. So this has been part 1 of my Kyoto trip, so please stay tuned for part 2. Subscribe so you get that notification. You can visit brandoninma.com for my other artwork. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you soon.